Hey, what's up guys, how are you? Today I will tell you how can integrate Unity Ads 4.15.0 in your Sketchware Pro project. In the previous video we have also told you how you can integrate, but someone tell me there is a problem with Unity Ads. I am not facing any type issue, but I have recreated it. So first of all, you need to know how to download SW file for Unity Ads. Just go to Google Play Store, open search bar and search for Sketchware projects. Okay, download Sketchware project and open it. Don't use email and password, only use Google sign email and password are only for events. Okay, there are two projects, Playbling and Unity Ads. You need to buy or watch 10 ads for Unity Ads. I have already bought it, so we can download it anytime. Okay, you can watch video ads or you can buy it in any price. That is something I don't know. Okay, so what we will need to do in this project, first up, go to event and on create. Replace this game id with your own game id. You can find it your game id in Unity game console or Unity accounts. Okay, interstitial Android and rewarded Android. In my case, you can see this in your Unity console. What you will need to do when you want to integrate or replace this with someone project, first of all, you need to go to Android manifest. Okay, suppose you want to integrate Unity Ads in main project. This is demo purpose only, but you want to integrate in your main projects, something like that. Then you need to copy and paste in your main project. Okay, I have also added a manifest permission. How you can add this custom permission? This is custom permission. So copy this. Okay, copy and plus. Okay, and cut it. Okay, and save. I have already added, so I don't want to save. If you want to upload your project on Play Store, then you need to add this permission. It is must compulsory. Okay, I have also added some permissions from permission manager like internet and access network state. Okay, you can also okay, awesome. You can find out our local libraries in local library section used in this project. You can see that there is a lot of library used in this project, and I have also excluded a built-in library, Kotlin Quarantine Core JVM 1.8.1. Okay, test mode false means we can see real ads. Okay, let's see example. Before you get started, make sure build setting is D8 and Java version 11. Okay, let's build this project. So guys, build is running. I am not facing any type of compile or library issues. Okay, so just update it and let's see example of real ads. Okay guys, install successfully. Now open it. So there is no runtime issue. Make sure you have connected with good connectivity. Initialization means project is working fine. Okay, interstitial add load. Okay, just wait for rewarded add. Timeout, unable to load rewarded add. Okay, let's see example with interstitial ad. This project is not available on Google Play Store. That's why this type issue may be common. Okay, let's see example. इस गेम में रजिस्टर होते ही So guys, now you can see that the interstitial ad is working fine. Okay, I have muted because maybe copyright issue. So you need to download it. Okay, just bus. Okay, okay. I think everything is well. Just you need to download it from my project store. You can buy it or by watching ads.